Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rashid, and in this tutorial I will tell you that how many ways you can format your text. Okay, so first of all, let me open the file where we have to work, and yeah, this is the file. So in this tutorial I will tell you that how you can format the text, how you can format the number, how you can format the formula, or everything which is concerned with directly or indirectly with the formatting. So first of all, in MS Excel sheet, if you want to write down your currency, okay, this is 25, and if I want to convert it into currency, then I have to come here, and it is showing me the different currency like United States, United Kingdom, Euro, Chinese, French, and for accounting format. And if I want to select the Pakistani currency, then I will go to that dialog box. Okay, you can pop up that dialog box from this option, and it will give me that. And from here I will go to where is text, scientific, percentage, time, date. This is currency. Okay, and from here I will search PKR, and it's PKR, and this is the Pakistani currency, and it's showing me it's 25 rupees in Pakistan, and I will exclude the decimals from that cell, and now it's showing me that this is 25 PKR. Okay, 25 rupees in Pakistan. So this is the way by which you can format your currency. And if I want to format the date, this is 29 April 2017. Okay, and I want to format that. Similarly, I will go to this dialog box. Okay, from here I will select the tab of date, and from here I can select the style as per my liking. Okay, and you have to select as per year. So from here I can select that one, and it will be converted into date. Okay, so by this way you can format the date. And there are two type of data which we can enter in that Excel sheet. The first one is the digit. Okay, and the digit, when you will put the digit in that cell, it will be on the right side, and if I will put text, it will be on the left side. Okay, so this is the basic symbol, this is the basic way by which we can identify the text and digit. So I can convert it, if I will convert that text into number. Okay, the shortcut key of that dialog box is Control 1. Okay, and that dialog box will be pop up. From here you can convert it into number. Okay, and you can also convert the number, the digit into number. Okay, into text, sorry. And from here I will select the text, and it will be on the right hand side. Okay, sorry, it's left hand side. So other way, if I want to show the percentage sign like 0.40, okay, if I convert it into the percentage sign, it will show me 40%. Okay, so these are the some basic ways by which we can format our text. This is the currency way, this is the way by which we can format a date, and this is the way by which we can use that sign of percentage. And one more thing, that is 12,500. Okay, by this way I can calculate that it is 12,500, but if I put comma into it and exclude the decimals, that will be more easy for me to read that 12,500. So this is the way by which you can put the comma and make it easy. So this is all for this tutorial, that how you can format your digit and your text and your date, currency and percentage in MS Excel sheet. One more thing that is your responsibility, that is you have to subscribe my channel www.youtube.com/c/my tutorial. Okay, and this is my YouTube channel, and for my Facebook page, that will be www.facebook.com/my tutorial. Okay, this is my Facebook page. So this is your responsibility to give me the feedback, because feedback is very mandatory for a effective communication. So kindly give me the feedback and follow me on my these two social links. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you.